Do the fifth question of chemistry, chapter first. The question is calculate the mass of sodium acetate, that is the value of mass of solution required to make 500 ml. So we have to convert ml into liters because the volume takes in liter. So the of 0.375 molar aqueous solution. So there the molarity is given. Molar mass of sodium acetate is 82.0245 gram mole upon mole. So here molar mass is also given. So first we write what is given. Here we write what is given. Here the we have to find m, that is mass of solution, that is CH3COONA, that is we have to find the value. Here the volume is given 500 ml. We have to convert in liter. So in liter, like 1 ml is equal to 0.001 liter. That is the 500 ml is equal to 0.5 liter, right? So 500 ml, that is 0.5 liter. Here the molar mass is also given. Here the molar mass is given, that is here, that is 82.0245 gram upon mole, right? Now the molarity that should be 0.375, that is the molarity is given. Now we have to calculate this and find this. So the calculate the formula is, that is we have to put this m, that is not matlab we mention here, right? So the formula is mass of solution upon molar mass, like this, and the volume of this, the volume in liters, that should be this one, into molarity, that is m, that is the formula, and that is the volume in liter, molarity upon m. So if we have to calculate this, the m is not given, so we have to find this. Upon molarity, molar mass is given, that is 82.0245 gram upon mole, that is this. And if V is equal to, that is 0.5 liter into, and that is molarity is 375. If we calculate this, we get the value of m, and that is the answer of is, and the value of m is 15 gram. Let me calculate the value. It should be 15, like 0.5 is into this, so 0.375 into 5 upon 5 5 is 25, 5 35 36 37, that is 3 15 18 5, that is 0. That is the value of this, and we have to this value is gone here, so it is also into 82.0245 gram mole minus 1, and we calculate this and we get the value here. Okay, that is not the value, but we will get the value of this by calculating this. Okay, and that is the solution. Thanks for watching the video.